All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day one of our February daily math. And we are going to write less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 1 inch versus 1 centimeter. Well, if we get out the green pattern block template, we'll notice one side is centimeters and the other side is inches. And an inch is larger than 1 centimeter, therefore 1 inch will be greater than 1 centimeter. All right, number 2, 37 plus 100. Well, you have a 1 in the hundreds column, a 3 in the tens column, and a 7 in the ones column. Now we come over here again, 1 in the hundreds. You have 2 plus 1, so there's 3 in the tens column. And then you have 7 plus 0 is 7. So these two are equal. So our answer is true. 37 plus 100 is equal to 127 plus 10. All right, number 3, we're going to do some addition problems. Fill in the missing numbers by adding. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 5 plus 8 equals 13. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, now we're going to go 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 7 is 13, and 6 plus 8 equals 14. Okay, and 7 plus 7 equals 14, and 7 plus 8 equals 15. All right, number 4. Rachel is learning to play her violin. Her lesson starts at 2 o'clock and lasts for 30 minutes. At what time does her lesson end? Well, if it started at 2 and went for 1/2 hour, that would be 2 hours and 30 minutes. So her lesson ends at 2:30. And number 5. We have the tiles for February. Add all of the tiles, draw tallies, and count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more makes 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 1 there is 4, and 1 here is 5. 1, 2, and 4 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our tiles should be 4 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 3 more, 14, 15, 16. So 5, 10, 15, and 1 more makes 16. All right, boys and girls, there we are. Day 1 of our February daily math. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 2.